In this video, I'm going to cover some of my favorite design elements used in both the farmhouse and modern farmhouse design in a custom home. Now, before we get started, I did want to say we will be covering some of our favorite elements in farmhouse design. This is in no way an extensive list. There's a lot more that could be covered in this area, and we may even miss your favorite design element. So if we miss some, please forgive us. We just wanted to cover some of our favorite elements that make for a very beautiful farmhouse design that you may want to consider putting into your custom home. First, let's discuss exactly what is farmhouse design. Farmhouse design is defined by simplicity and comfort, relying on readily available materials and colors. Wood elements and white tones are indicative of farmhouse style. Timber was the easiest to come by material, which is why there's such an emphasis on wood elements. Many of the farmhouse features that we now think of as charming were actually designed with specific purposes in mind. Porches acted as mudrooms for shedding dirty workwear before entering the house. Overlapping pieces of wood used for clapboard siding were extra effective at keeping out wind and moisture. And a large fireplace could easily heat the entire house. And a gabled roof with a 45-degree pitch was easy to frame for maximized height. Let's first look at some of the exterior elements. Siding with board and batten elements are commonly used, although we've seen brick used successfully as well. Metal roofs are definitely one of the key elements, mainly due to their simplicity and durability. Wraparound porches, as mentioned earlier, were used as the original mudroom. Large gables, open rafter tails, double columns, painted soffit. This is one of my favorite elements and would fit more into the modern farmhouse category, but I wanted to cover it here. It's something that can really make your farmhouse design stand out from others, especially if you use a darker color. Large windows with thin window frames and mullions. Brick elements like half columns and walkways. And finally, gas lamps. They give you such a retro old world look. Now let's look at some interior elements. Everyone's favorite, the apron sink. And especially when it's paired with a bridge-type faucet design. Open shelving, shiplap and other wood wall accents, brick backsplash, walls, and flooring. Barn doors, antique beams, antique wood, in this case, for a bath vanity, wood countertops. Freestanding built-ins keep your cabinetry looking like a piece of furniture, not just another cabinet. Metal vent hood with exposed rivets. Simple handrail design. And lastly, pot fillers. The modern farmhouse style is the perfect blend of the traditional country look with the more minimal contemporary design. Clean lines and a sleek aesthetic have been the go-to interior styles for a while, but with so much happening in the world these days, we're craving for a touch of more comforting, cozy elements. This is the contemporary take on the rustic style, so everything is tailored into making sure you have everything you need to continue to live a modern life, just with a farmhouse tint. While country homes are beautiful, this style takes our favorite comforting elements from there and adds sleek touches with smooth lines, brushed metals, and neutral palettes. Here are a few of my favorite elements in a modern farmhouse design. Shiplap metal range hood, linear fireplaces, waterfall islands, folding door systems, floating vanities and shower benches, clean line stacked stone tile, modern lighting fixtures and fans. And how about throwing in a frosted glass garage door design? What a great element to add. Now that you've heard some of our favorite elements of the farmhouse style, we would love for you to leave yours down in the comments. We want to thank you all so much for watching and ask if you'd please leave us a like and subscribe to see more of our videos.